What's up, you guys? Eliza here from ElizaCabrera.com, and I'm super excited today to share with you my personal opinion of the Diva Cup and the Honey Pot Company cups, right? I have two cups here. I'm going to show you exactly what they look like. So if you're interested in probably using a cup, maybe you tried another brand and it didn't work for you, or maybe you just want to see what it looks like, make sure you keep watching because I'm going to give you all of that and more. So really quickly, guys, I actually did a Honey Pot Cup review. You can check that one out if you want. If not, just stay here because I'm going to give you the scoop on both of them, right? So long story short, I had bought the cup last year, 2020. I tried it out because I've been dying to try the cup in general, right? I wanted to try a menstrual cup because I'm just tired of pads, I'm tired of tampons, and I really want to try alternatives, right? And I specifically tried this brand because it is a Black-owned company, and I wanted to support her. When I went on the website, all the pads and tampons were sold out, so I'm like, I've been dying to try the cup, so I might as well try it out, right? So when I tried it, I didn't have a good experience. I talk all about that in my video. You guys can check that out. However, long story short, I was still very tempted to try the menstrual cup, and I decided to try this company right here, the Diva Cup, and I'm gonna tell you exactly why. Guys, there's actually this amazing I don't know what they're called. I guess they're like bloggers. I don't even know what their name is, but putacupinit.com. I'm dropping their link down there. They even have a whole YouTube video. They have a great Facebook group, and it's a really cool community, and that's how I was able to find a cup that works for me. So that's the most important thing to realize, that when you're on the cup journey, you're gonna realize that maybe the first one that you try is not the one for you, because guess what? There are a gajillion companies. Seriously, they have from A through Z of different companies that have cups. Who would have known, right? But it makes sense, because if you think about it, all of our princesses, aka our vaginas, are made differently. And what I learned in Put a Cup in It is they give you like this quiz to figure out what's the best cup for you, and what they make you do is measure your cervix. Exactly, like what the hell, measure your cervix? When I read that, I'm like, what? And even they say, what? Right? So they give you like there's a YouTube video, and it tells you exactly how to measure your cervix. Hilarious, right? And I did it. I went and I measured my cervix. I followed the instructions, and they give you, after you measure your cervix, they tell you which companies to try, and one of them was Diva Cup. And since Diva Cup is in all of the pharmacies, I got that one, right? I didn't want to order online, and when I was doing it, I was on my cycle, so I immediately ran. I went to CVS. I paid $40 for this baby. I know it's expensive, but the point of it is to never have to use freaking pads or tampon again. So if you think about it, it kind of saves you money. And basically, I'm gonna show y'all, right? I know y'all want to see what's in here, so let's look at it and let's compare. I can call myself now a cup user, and I'm still working on it. I'm a beginner. I'm gonna give y'all some tips after I show y'all exactly what they look like. So this is clean. This is the pouch for the Diva Cup, and this is what it looks like. And this is the pouch for the Honey Pot Company, and let me show you what it looks like, guys. So here we go, right? We're looking at both of them, and it's so funny because this is actually my first time looking at both of them as well. And as you can see, the Diva Cup is slim, is skinnier, and doesn't have this little tip thing in the bottom. And the Honey Pot Company is much bigger, and also something to realize is that it's thicker and it's harder, right? They're both made out of silicone. All cups, I think, are made out of silicone. Don't quote me on that, but it's supposed to be safe for your body versus tampons, right? That's the biggest, most important thing about this. And they are both the smaller size, so cups come in different sizes. If you're worried, you're like, oh my god, it's not gonna hold my blood. For me, it's been fine. I never fill this up. I probably bleed up to there, honestly, and I've left it on for the 12 hours. The thing about the cup is that you're supposed to leave it on for 12 hours, and I've been good with that. And my biggest problem was that I could not take this out, guys. First of all, one thing I learned is that you can cut the tip, which is actually helpful because you don't want to grip from here. I thought, oh, that's gonna be easy. No, when you're bleeding, you're gonna have all of this wet, so when you're trying to take that out, it was like slip, 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 and I was in there having the biggest panic attack every time I tried it. So I didn't like that. Versus the Diva Cup, literally I just push a little bit as if I gotta go, and then I just take it right out. right? So it comes out really easy for me. That's not a problem. That's really why I love it, and it holds my blood. However, I'm not going to lie, guys. I'm still learning. I did have a bad experience where I put it on and the blood was everywhere. It was on my pants, and that was just because of me not putting it on, right? So here's something to realize about the cups. Some of them are hard. Like this one is harder, which is good, only because when you put it in, right, there's different methods how to put it in. You can either fold it and put it in like that, or you can the U fold, like you put it in and you put it in like that. So there's a whole bunch of videos on that. The harder ones, the more tougher ones, when you put it in, right, it's gonna be easy to actually mold inside of you like this, and that's how you want it to be, so nothing comes out. Versus this one is a little bit more soft, so when I put it in, I guess I just didn't, like some people say that they go in there and they like move it. I don't know how to do all of that. I just push it as high as I can and pray to the gods that is on correctly. So I'm still working on it. I'm a newbie, but I'm a cup wearer. I love the fact that it's just, I put it on in the morning, I'm good all day, and then I shower at night and put it on in the nighttime. You know what I'm saying? And I'm good. I don't have to worry about no tampon, that nasty feeling. Well, not a tampon, I should say. The pad, right? Because I don't like tampons so much. I hate that whole cotton shit coming out of you. I don't like that feeling. So I'm more of a pad girl. However, I don't want to wear pads no more. So I definitely recommend giving it a try, guys. Try taking your quiz, measure your cervix, figure out which one works for you, because yeah, I already know. I recommend it. And that's my review, guys. If you found this useful, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe, comment any questions you have, and let's keep changing our periods to make them better. Next, I'm going to be trying period panties, so I'll keep y'all posted.